Hello, thanks for joining. It's Karen here from by Boho. I thought I'll just make a quick video with a flip through and I will talk through some of the pages and the way I've designed basically my take on this digital kit. I'm not actually an expert in making journal books. I mainly design the kits themselves, but obviously I make my own. So I either give to friends, most of them I keep to myself. I like to have them all in display on my shelf, and to stack them up together, and I'm waiting for the third shelf now to get full. Anyway, so I'll just talk it through quickly. Seems like a lot of you did like it on Instagram, so yeah, this is my take on it. So it comes with this main page as a book cover. I had a problem here with the printer, but I decided to keep it as it is. Something just went a bit reddish here. I kept it like that instead of printing a new one. I covered some of it here with this piece of paper I've stitched here, and I've used some of the books. Once again, it comes with some printed book pages, but I've used also tea stained paper, and then I stuck them together. I wanted to mention here, yes, so from the leftovers that I had from the papers after trimming them to match to the book cover size, I've used to create this. Obviously, you know, you fold them in a chain and then I stitch them together. And then either I stitch it directly to the cover, or I just, after stitching, I then stick it to the page. With this one, actually, I've used paper towel, kitchen paper towel, which are tea stained carefully. You want just tiny bit of liquid because it goes through very quickly. So you just literally need to dip it slightly. Then, because it's so thin, it creates obviously you put it in the oven for a short time, and it creates these burnt edges. Just like napkin paper, you will find that you can peel it into two. And I tried to keep it together, the two layers together, but it was falling apart after some time. This is another like ribbon flower, which are tea stained as well. So I've combined this throughout. Pockets are included. I have I've made through 2 holes through this mannequin, and I put this bow through. Here I just stuck below this chain here. Used all these labels as extra layers. It comes also with a page with a few of these, and with some of the extra cards that come with the kit, I've created just use them as pockets, so I stuck them around here. Same here, I think I dyed some of these some lace. From this paper towel, also created a mini pocket, so it's actually, one second, there's 2 layers, so I've stitched it together first and then I stuck it, so it's like a pocket and a kind of a pouch at the same time. Basically everything that is in the kit is included, well, everything in the book is included in the kit. It's just that I don't improvise it more with extra bits and pieces because I don't want to cause confusion. So obviously I might just after keep going and using other bits and pieces. For the, I know I haven't stuck it too well, I need to redo it. For the this envelope, I use this, you see, this is when I didn't peel it into 2. I need to restick it, but I've used it, I didn't want to keep the blank area of the cards for the envelope, so I've just stuck some of this paper towel tea stained piece. So I've just cut it into size and I trimmed around. I like sticking labels onto like small either fabric pieces around or lace, just to give it like extra volume. Yeah. Same here, I had some leftovers, so I've stuck it here below. This pretty little piece here. I think I had some glue issue here, so I've stuck this piece on top to hide the shame. And this is another piece of the paper towel, which I think I've stuck on the back of this paper because I didn't print it double-sided, so I just stuck it over. So it's kind of the same sepia colors matching to the tea stained, otherwise it would have been like blank page. So this is just to give you an idea. If you don't print double-sided and you want to save on ink, then you can just, instead of sticking another page on top of it, just go for something lighter and use this method. It's great because it's extremely thin and you get these beautiful edges which you can then just stick over, and you get like just not a blank area spacing, unless you like it. This is another envelope, and I've done here the same thing with a paper towel. Stuck a bit of ribbon here, and I didn't want to keep this page so empty, so I put a lace underneath this badge here, and I think that's nearly the end. And yeah, this, I don't know, I went through an old box and I found this feather, so I thought I'll just add it here to break this brownish colors and add a bit of gold. Thank you again for watching. I'll add the link to the kit in the description, in the comments, sorry, and I'd love to see your take on this piece of yeah, got all confused here, don't worry about it. Thank you so much for watching.